How to download GIF from Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can download GIF from Twitter. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Play Store and search for Tweet to GIF application. Now install that application on your device. Once it is installed, click on Open button and tap on Dismiss. After that, open your Twitter application, that means X application on your device. Now just select the post and click on the share like button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on it, here you can see the option of copy link. Click on it. Once it is copied, then go to the Tweet to GIFs application and paste it. Now tap on download GIF option and that's it. Here in this easy and simple way, you can download GIF from Twitter. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys understood how you can download GIF from Twitter. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.